Hi everyone, welcome back to Super Kalam. Welcome to the introduction of Focus Batch. What is Focus Batch? I am your teacher Arpita Sharma, myself along with Vimal sir. We are running Focus Batch on Super Kalam, wherein we are covering the entire preparation of UPSC for GS for your attempt in 2025, or even if you're preparing for 2026, this batch is for you. Now, what is the magic of Focus Batch? What are we going to focus on? What are we covering? What will be the timetable? How will it be covered? How we are going to provide you personal mentorship? Everything will be covered, don't worry. Let's start. But before that, let me help you understand ki, is it the first focus batch? No, we have run focus batches in the past, and I wanted to make you go through some of the important feedback from already existing students and those who have been a part of the focus batch earlier. Here, Prachi Kamble, you can see that she has started making notes on current affairs. She started channelizing her preparation in the right direction. Whatever she was preparing back then, it was scattered. But with the proper guidance and feedback, she was back on the right track. Daily targets आते हैं. डेली टारगेट्स के साथ डेली प्रीलिम्स क्वेश्चंस प्रैक्टिस होते हैं. डेली मेंस क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस हो रहे हैं. लाइव डाउट रेजोल्यूशन इज गोइंग ऑन. Then you also get to know your progress report. Then you also get to get your doubts solved by Vimalson and myself. Super Kalam ka unlimited access is given, so that at any point of time, whenever you are stuck in a concept, or whenever you want to practice MCQs, or you want to get your answers evaluated on a topic that you have practiced, PYQs practice karne hai, you have your own super mentor Super Kalam at all times available. Focused, disciplined, confident. These are the three things that she used, three adjectives that she used to describe her preparation in the focus batch. We also have other students who had the similar feedback. For example, Apra Mayo was weak in economics, but because of the focus batch, directly through the classes, through the mentorship, through the unlimited practice, doubt resolution, he became stronger in economics. Now, let me help you understand what exactly focus batch is and how it works. फोकस बैच में आपको फोकस करवाया जाता है. हाउ कैन यू फोकस? व्हेन योर डेली टारगेट्स आर सेट. हाउ कैन यू फोकस? व्हेन यू हैव द लाइव क्लासेस, डेली प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चंस, वेदर इट इज फॉर प्रीलिम्स और इट इज फॉर मेंस, when you have live doubt resolution sessions, when you have progress reports. That's how you understand where you are heading, and that's how you understand how to be on the right track. हमें पता है मोटिवेशन ना इंट्रिंसिक होती है. आपको अंदर से मोटिवेशन आती है, इनहेरेंटली मोटिवेटेड फील करना है, तभी आप इस जर्नी में लॉन्ग टाइम तक टिक सकते हो. लॉन्ग टाइम मतलब प्री, मेंस और इंटरव्यू की ये जर्नी है. बीच में गिव अप करने का मन करता है जब इंट्रिंसिक मोटिवेशन नहीं होती, बट व्हेन योर मोटिवेशन इज इनहेरेंट इंट्रिंसिक, यू कैन सेल थ्रू द इंटरव्यू राउंड एज वेल. with that motivation you will keep going and ultimately आप इंटरव्यू राउंड तक पहुंच ही जाओगे. Daily discipline is the main aspect of the focus batch. So, here is how we design the daily schedule of a focus batch student. Early in the morning at 8 a.m., the student will get the daily targets. आपके पूरे GS syllabus को monthly targets में divide किया जाता है. And then those monthly targets are divided into daily targets. डेली टारगेट्स में रोज सुबह 8 बजे आपको टारगेट मिलेगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी हैव स्टार्टेड विद पॉलिटी, सो एट 8 a.m. you will get your daily targets based on polity. Okay, once you get your target at 8 a.m., then at 9 a.m. you will get not just the daily prelims question, but also you will get the daily mains question from the target that was given to you. Now your task is to complete your target. Then you solve the daily prelims question. Then you write the answer on that one daily mains question which is given to you. एक आंसर राइटिंग की प्रैक्टिस आपको रोज करवाई जाएगी. वन आंसर वी विल प्रैक्टिस इट एवरी डे. Okay, and then you get the current affairs also. You do not have to waste your time or running here and there after different resources of current affairs. FOMO में जाना ही नहीं है. All your FOMOs will be killed over here. Fear of missing out होगा ही नहीं in the focus batch. You get your GS targets, current affairs, prelims question, mains question, and once a week we will have live doubt resolution session where I myself and Vimal sir will be present to take all your doubts. एंड डेली जीएस टारगेट्स के साथ आपको डेली रिकॉर्डेड क्लासेस भी मिलेंगी. आई शो यू एवरीथिंग, डोंट वरी. मैं अभी आपको आपका डैशबोर्ड भी दिखाने वाली हूँ. You will get GS modules, you will get recorded sessions, and once a week live doubt resolution, and then आपको आपका progress report भी यहाँ पर मिलेगा. ठीक है? At the end of the day, that helps you maintain your daily discipline. So in the focus batch, daily discipline is maintained through targets, progress report, live doubt resolution once a week. Content module is given, 100% GS content आपका covered है इसके अंदर. And along with that, the most common query that students have is, ma'am, will we get the prelims test series in this batch inclusive? Yes. 8 full length mock test, 12 subject wise mock test, 14 years के PYQs, along with that unlimited access of Super Kalam जहाँ पर आप unlimited MCQs you can practice. All of that you will receive here in the focus batch. Now, let me help you make you go through the unlimited powers of Super Kalam. अब मैं ये आपको ना लाइव दिखाने वाली हूँ कि कैसे आपको सुपर कलाम पर सब कुछ मिल रहा है अंडर दिस फोकस बैच, along with the streaks, along with the modules, test, everything, and the recorded classes also. Come, let me show you the unlimited powers that you are going to get along with this batch. So this is your super mentor, Super Kalam. Here at Super Kalam, not just the daily news analysis will be given to you early in the morning by 7 a.m. इसके साथ साथ आपको पता ही है कि डेली प्रीलिम्स क्वेश्चन भी आप सॉल्व कर सकते हो बेस्ड ऑन करंट अफेयर्स. बट द बेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ द एक्सेस टू फोकस बैचेस, हियर यू विल सी माई लाइब्रेरी. आप चाहो तो जब आप सुपर कलाम पर जाते हो वहां भी डैशबोर्ड में आपको आपका पूरा माई लाइब्रेरी मिलेगी. तो ये माई लाइब्रेरी में आप लोग गए, and in my library mein you will have access to the complete modules, recorded classes, everything under focus batch. तो सबसे पहले आप डैशबोर्ड कैसे यूज कर सकते हो, you will get a guide for that. Then all the subjects, GS subjects are listed. For example, if you go to medieval history and you go to, let's say, medieval history नहीं, मान लो आप ancient history में गए, ठीक है, प्री हिस्ट्री में आप जाओगे, you will not just get the class notes but you will also get the recorded classes along with that topic. Let's say you want to study, not just you want to study, but let's say in the daily targets we have started with environment and ecology. In environment and ecology, we are studying fundamentals of ecology. You will get the class notes on the same. Classes तो मिलेंगी ही मिलेंगी, class notes भी मिलेंगे. And class notes are created in such a manner that it will become very easy for you to do active recall. माइंड मैप्स और डायग्राम्स ऐसे बनाए गए हैं कि आपका एक्टिव रिकॉल बहुत स्मार्ट और स्ट्रांग हो जाएगा. Along with your class modules and your class recordings, in my test, you will click on my test and you will get all your test series, all your DPQs, all your class tests which happen on weekends, that is on Sundays. जो भी हम टारगेट्स कंप्लीट करते हैं, कवर करते हैं, बेस्ड ऑन दैट यू गेट योर क्लास टेस्ट ऑल्सो. डेली क्लास टेस्ट यहाँ देखोगे आप, एंड यू कैन क्लिक ऑन अटेम्प्ट नाउ and click the test so that whatever you have studied you can revise it as well. This is the power of unlimited access of Super Kalam that you will get with your focus batch. It is not about 10 hours of rigorous study or 12 hours of rigorous study that you need to do. Nahin. In focus batch, Vimal sir and myself, we have this one fundamental principle. Even if you are studying for 5 to 7 hours but with discipline and consistency, you can clear this exam with utmost sincerity and ease. फोकस बैच में पर्सनल मेंटोरशिप तो होगी ही होगी, उसके साथ आप देखोगे खुद से मैजिक ऑफ डिसिप्लिन. विद इन 3 weeks you will see a very profound change and transformation in the way you approach UPSC, in the way you study, in the way you complete your targets, because Vimal sir and myself will be there to monitor you personally. That is the beauty of focus batch. वंस अ वीक लाइव डाउट रेजोल्यूशन सेशन हुआ करेगा, डेली रिकॉर्डेड क्लासेस मिलेंगी, डेली टारगेट्स मिलेंगे, डेली डे एंड में मैं आपकी प्रोग्रेस रिपोर्ट आपसे मांगूंगी, वीकेंड पे आपको प्रोग्रेस रिपोर्ट सुपर कलाम की तरफ से मिलेगी. And that is how focus batch is different from the access of super kalam that you get right now. Free access में आपको GS modules नहीं मिलते. You will not get GS live sessions, recorded classes, doubt resolution session, our personal mentorship, our priority support. But in focus batch, everything in unlimited way you will be getting, along with our personal mentorship, personal priority support for all of you. Now let me help you go through the timetable. This batch is starting from 2nd of September. Orientation session will take place. Vimal sir and myself will be meeting you all live. We will be helping you understand how to approach this batch. We will be helping you understand what are the books you should have and what are the resources we will provide you to start your preparation. And all the targets, entire GS syllabus will be divided into weekly targets. Weekly targets will be further divided into daily targets. And from 2nd of September, your batch will start. 2nd सितंबर से लेकर सारे सब्जेक्ट्स विल बी कवर्ड टिल 9th of Feb. Your syllabus will be completed. Now that does not mean that the batch will end. That means that revision will start after 9th of Feb. And before 9th of Feb also weekly revisions will be there. ये मत सोचो कि बस syllabus खत्म कराएंगे और हो गया. We are not going to just focus on ending the syllabus, but every Saturday Sunday revision will be done, so that whatever you have studied from Monday to Friday, you can revise it with us on Saturday Sunday through test, through active recall sessions, through mind maps, etc. After 9th Feb, full fledged mock test, full fledged revision will start. This is the batch which is going to help you remove all your doubts related to syllabus completion, related to maintaining discipline and focus, and also related to any kind of inconsistency that you are facing in your preparation. आपको मेंस 2025 तक फुल एक्सेस मिलेगा सुपर कलाम का और इस बैच का और हमारे पर्सनल मेंटरशिप का. So even if you're preparing for 2026, you can still be a part of this batch and cover your syllabus beforehand. Along with this batch, you will also get test series. Prelims की पूरी test series आपको इसमें मिलेगी subject wise and full length mock test as well. 100% GS की content classes आपको इसमें मिलेगी. Pre और mains की GS modules मिलेंगे. Even current affair modules you will be getting. So you don't have to run around here and there for any kind of help, any kind of subject related or you know preparation related help, because everything is covered here with the help of Super Kalam and with the help of us, that is your mentors. Daily at 8 a.m. targets will be given. Current affairs आपको मिलेंगे. Prelims question, mains question, every day we will write one mains question so that your answer writing skills are also developed. Once a week live doubt resolution session, daily progress reports and GSK module and sessions तो आपको मिलेंगे. Hence maintaining daily discipline. This is the daily ideal schedule of a focus batch student in our batch. So let's meet inside the focus batch. If you have any doubt with respect to enrolling in the batch, you can mail us at ask@kalam.in. See you soon in the focus batch itself.